Yes, those little fucks stole my first package. So, but I did get it on the second try. Again, thank you, Big Bad Toy Store, for getting it to me. Because you can get I guess some stuff.
You can get some stuff. Can you be more specific on the stuff?
No, because it only
Okay.
has semi rocket Dodger, a Volvo, the draft camper, Speed Raider. I don't know what the hell that black one is, and Optimus Prime.
The next set is gonna have Ultra Magnus. So I already saw some of the pictures. I think I shared that like 3 weeks ago.
That would be
Yeah, three. I
And we
mean,
got
like I said,
Magneto.
I'm still trying to find them. I want to find them in the out in the wild, so I haven't ordered them.
yes. Same here. All right, ladies and gentlemen. This is the one that really pissed me off. I was really mad because I was looking forward for this one. This is the one out of all of the ones I ordered. This is the one I wanted.
Yeah, this is the one that I can't pull the trigger on yet, man. I want it so bad though.